Hey folks, it's me, Joseph, coming at you again with another episode of Art and the Garden, the series where I share with you two things I have an enormous passion for: my art and my container garden. If you're ready, let's grow.
To get back to this painting that I've been working on I titled it Kwanzaa, and it is the work that depicts some of the crops that I grew over the spring and summer of 2024. Love working with watercolor pencils. Working with watercolor pencils is really a great way to sort of block in color and to really be sort of accurate, in my opinion, with blocking in color and things like that. So that's what I'm kind of working on here. But this episode is all about rebuilding my garden fence. Hurricane Beryl came through this summer and wreaked havoc here in Texas, in the Pearland, Houston area, and all throughout. But left things really sort of chaotic for me. So that's what this episode is all about. I'm going to be redoing my fence, and mainly because my dogs, they love being outside. I have 4. They love running, they love playing, but they also love harassing the neighbor's dog. And also, they love my garden. So this is a before and after piece. And again, this is when Hurricane Beryl came through and just left everything in everybody's neighborhood sort of devastated. But that's okay. So what I'm going to be doing with this episode is working on this part of the fence and rebuilding it. But I'll be using a lot of recycled material. All of the stuff that I'll be using is recycled. And I'm going to take this and transform it into something better. I'm blessed that I'll be able to utilize a lot of the recycled material from this front gate area. The posts and the pickets are still in good shape, in good enough shape for me to do what I want to do. I'm not trying to build anything perfect, but I will be just recreating that barrier that I have to protect my garden and the dogs from running all along the fence and harassing the other dogs. So this is the area that I'll start with, and I'll be pulling everything loose. Most of the pickets are 6 feet. So my idea is to design an area that's this area here will be 3 6 feet sections, and I'll be using a lot of this recycled material. I've already started with placing my posts in the ground, and they are 6 feet apart, and I will be probably going about 4 feet high. Again, using recycled material. I'm just going to take this pallet and just place it in an area where the dogs won't be able to come through. And that's going to be sort of temporary for now. But I'm going to go ahead now and just start putting this together. And I love the fact that I'm not doing any cutting except for the 2x4s. But everything else, the posts are 6 feet posts. The posts are 6 feet, and I'm dropping them down 2 feet and trying to drop them 2 feet into the ground. And that is a plus. I don't have to cut anything. The pickets are 6 feet. Don't have to cut anything. And this is just a way of taking recycled material and reusing it for something better. So I'm going to work on this for a little bit, and you tell me what you think. And so here is the first section, roughly about 4 feet high, 3.5, 4 feet high, so the dogs won't jump over that. The post, again, 6 feet apart because the pickets are 6 feet. Didn't have to really cut the pickets or anything like that. And so I am going to make 2 more sections the same way. And yeah, so this is coming along pretty good. And then I'll add 1 more 6-foot section. And this is what I have so far. And I am pretty pleased. Yeah, looks good. Again, not trying to do anything perfect, but just trying to take recycled material and take something that would be considered trash and trying to turn it into some useful treasure here. And looks pretty good. I am not a carpenter, but I am at least willing to give everything a try. So my before and my after, I am really, really pleased with it. I still have more to go, another section to do, but this is again the before, and here we have the after. Fantastic. Yeah. Say, hey, if you like what I'm doing, you know me, I'm going to always say, go to my website, follow along, click subscribe, click the bell button so you can get notifications. And I will see you all again on the next episode of Art and the Garden. Peace.